of a combat pilot, a dogfight pilot in World War I, was 2 weeks. He had a good chance of getting killed in training as he did in air-to-air combat. That had to change. So before our pilots and airplanes like these went into harm's way, they had an average of 116 hours of very intense training. Most of the trip in the cabin. And the cabin on Flight Museum at the Aliance Airport celebrated their 15th anniversary. These are the sounds of freedom. World War II and beyond. The reconnaissance aircraft, the ground controllers and ground cover aircraft, and the electronic warfare aircraft. Our pilots are Dale Sword Snodgrass, flying the Curtiss P-40 from the Cavanaugh Museum. The Mohawk OV-1D, that's the twin-engine, triple-tail aircraft, flown by Museum Director Doug Jean. The big skyraider that I'll point out to you, flown by Stuart Dawson of Airshow and air racing fame, and also Wildcat today being flown by, let's see, Mike Burt, and the TBM, the big torpedo bomber, flown by Kevin Raleigh. All right, those are your pilots. See that airplane now? That came out of there about 1956, used by the Army and the Marines. It was the Army's only airplane that had an ejection seat. The pilot sat on the left side, the electronic officer sat on the right. Now that airplane there, the J-1, came out a little too late for World War II. However, in Korea and in Vietnam, it was very effective. On some variants of that gray airplane, you could carry as many as 12 people. There is Mr. Dale Snodgrass in the Curtiss P-40 with the shark machines on the front. Coming in from your right is also the Wildcat. Now that airplane, one of the early Grumman fighters used by the Marine Corps and the Navy, has a hand crank gear. It is so hard to take off smoothly while you're turning the crank 31 rotations to get the gear up. All right, here's the big TBM built by General Motors. That's Kevin Raleigh in that aircraft. Now, here is the twin-engine aircraft. It was an electronic warfare aircraft. Folks, it had antennas on the top, on the bottom, from nose to tail, and then wires reaching from the top to the back. 3, 4, 5 wires on top, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom, sneaking in and trying to listen to what the enemy had to say. That gray airplane there, the Douglas AG, they call that the April Dog or the Spad. Big engine, enough power to carry more bombs or bigger bomb loaded weight than a B-17 of World War II. The Curtiss P-40, originally a biplane, modified as a fighter with an Aliance engine, used by Claire Chennault and his Flying Tiger. Also used before U.S. got into the war, used by the British, our allies, by the Royal Australian Air Force, our allies, and shipped to Russia, and used with great success by our Russian allies. By Kevin Raleigh, the Wildcat, Mike Burt, skyraider, good friend Stuart Dawson, and the twin-engine OV-1D Museum Director Doug James. By the way, see that twin-engine airplane coming in? Later on, they put a big cannon pod under each wing.